Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve debt management with Credit Karma easy tutorial step by step clearly. To improve debt management with Credit Karma, start by visiting the Credit Karma website or downloading the app. Create an account if you don't have one already. Provide the necessary personal information to set up your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will find an overview of your financial health. Take a moment to review your credit scores. These scores are crucial for understanding your overall credit health. Next, check the debt section on your dashboard. This area will show you an overview of all your current debts. Look for any debts that are high interest. Make a list of these debts to prioritize them. Use the debt repayment calculator available on Credit Karma. Enter your debt amounts and interest rates to see repayment options. Consider using strategies like the avalanche or snowball methods for repayment. The avalanche method focuses on paying off high-interest debt first. The snowball method encourages you to pay off smaller debts first for motivation. With the information from the calculator, create a realistic budget. Start cutting unnecessary expenses to free up more cash for debt repayment. Credit Karma also offers personalized recommendations for credit cards and loans. Explore these options if you want to consolidate your debt. Keep track of your progress in the app or on the website. Regularly monitor your credit scores to see how your efforts are impacting them. Don't hesitate to revisit the debt management tools to adjust your strategy as needed. Engage with the community forums for additional tips and support. Stay informed about financial advice through articles and resources offered by Credit Karma. With consistency and dedication, you will see improvements in your debt management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.